Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're exploring the world of sales and marketing with a splash of fun and a sprinkle of wisdom. First up, we're tackling the cringe-worthy body language blunders you might be making during presentations. Then we'll unlock the art of crafting those sales closing scripts that seal the deal. For all you marketers out there, we've got the lowdown on best practices for email marketing campaigns that'll make your inbox the place to be. Plus, we're recapping the top takeaways from our chat with the brilliant Corey Morris. And for team leaders and execs, we're exploring the ins and outs of psychometric assessments for recruitment. So let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy. Let's talk about the secret weapon in your presentation toolkit, body language. Did you know that your nonverbal cues can make or break your pitch? First up, eye contact. It's tempting to cling to your notes like a security blanket, but remember, your audience is the real MVP. Try pausing after a slide to lock eyes with them. Instant connection. Next, let's straighten things out. Literally. Your posture speaks volumes about your confidence. Stand tall and strong to show you're in control. Slouching? Not so much. And finally, let's get moving. Don't be a statue. Use the space around you to engage your audience. Approach them, point things out on your slides, and step away from that lectern. Remember, awareness is key. By mastering your body language, you're not just delivering a message, you're building stronger, more rewarding relationships. You've got this. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, let's dive into the magic of sales closing scripts. Now I know what you're thinking. Scripts? Really? But hear me out. These little gems are like your trusty sidekick in the wild world of sales. First off, they bring consistency and professionalism to your game. Even the most seasoned sales pros lean on them to ensure every prospect gets the same top-notch info, avoiding any awkward, "Oops, I forgot to mention that" moments. Secondly, scripts are your confidence booster. Closing a sale can be nerve-wracking, but having a script is like having a map for your sales journey. It helps you stay on track, reduce errors, and keep that conversation flowing smoothly. Plus, it saves you time, so you can focus on connecting with your prospect rather than scrambling for words. Lastly, scripts are your secret weapon against procrastination. By incorporating urgency and clear next steps, you can motivate your prospects to act ASAP, highlight those time-sensitive benefits, and watch that FOMO work its magic. So, embrace the power of the sales closing script and watch your sales game soar to new heights. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, let's discuss email marketing and how you can make it work wonders for you. Did you know that email marketing can generate a whopping $36 for every dollar you invest? That's according to Litmus. And it's a pretty solid reason to give your email strategy a little extra love. First up, let's talk about personalization. The more you invest in your email marketing, the more you can tailor your messages. Personalization can be as simple as using recipient data for subject lines, or as advanced as dynamic content based on individual preferences. It's like having a conversation with each of your subscribers, and who doesn't love a little personal touch? Next, let's chat about content. Your emails are competing for attention, so make sure your content stands out. Whether you're creating it in-house or hiring an agency, focus on quality. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, AI tools can speed up the process, turning weeks of work into just days. Finally, don't forget about interaction. Adding interactive elements like buttons, forms, or quizzes can boost engagement. It's like inviting your audience to play along. And who can resist that? Remember, a little effort in your email marketing can lead to big rewards. Keep pushing forward and you'll see the results. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and Celie Smith. In this episode, they dive into the world of digital marketing with Corey Morris, CEO of Voltage Digital Marketing Agency. First up, Corey emphasizes the importance of understanding not just who your audience is, but where they are. It's not enough to know they're on Google. You need to know if they're also on LinkedIn, Reddit, or even using AI tools like ChatGPT. This means your marketing strategy should be as dynamic as your audience's online habits. Secondly, Corey talks about the shift from quantity to quality. It's no longer about getting the most clicks, it's about meaningful engagement. He suggests focusing on creating valuable content that answers real questions your audience has, which can lead to better conversions. Lastly, Corey highlights the need for businesses to work smarter, not harder. With AI rapidly changing the landscape, those who adapt and integrate AI into their strategies will thrive. Remember, understanding your audience and delivering quality content is your ticket to success in the digital world. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our forfeit simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. We're talking about psychometric tests in recruitment. Psychometric tests reduce hiring bias. By focusing on measurable competencies, they help ensure fairer and more inclusive hiring practices. It's like giving everyone a fair shot at the gold medal, regardless of their background. Next up, these tests are fantastic predictors of job performance. According to the Society for Industrial and Organizational Psychology, cognitive ability tests show a strong correlation to job success. So, if you're looking to build a dream team, these tests are your crystal ball. And finally, they improve employee retention. By aligning a candidate's traits and abilities with job requirements, you're more likely to hire someone who sticks around and thrives. So, if you're aiming for a team that's both talented and cohesive, psychometric testing might just be your new best friend. Keep striving for that perfect fit. Your future self will thank you. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by Celie Smith, Jessica Helensky, Rachel Cagle, Austin Richards, and Tim Londergan, and I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated.